This is my Bosch Dishwasher Silence Plus dBA. That is the sound when the pump, the circulating pump, is damaged. Maybe the impeller is damaged. So this is the noise, and the error code is E21. So you can hear it, how noisy it is. And when you have something like that, remember the dishwasher will not work properly because the pressure of the water inside is too low. As a result, the soap will not fail. When you have this kind of issue, you have to either replace the pump, the circulate pump, or replace the impeller. This is the problematic pump that we just removed from the dishwasher. And you can look at it from close distance, see what's going on. And I can take this one out, and you can see here the impeller here. I can even take it out. It's broken, as you can see. So that is the pump that make all this noise. I also will put a link below this video that you can actually purchase this pump if you have any issues.